Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Unlimited and the Airdrop channel, guys. Today we will be looking at a 4-in-1 airdrop, and this will be D-Bridge to Renzo to Karak. So it's a 4-in-1, so stay tuned, guys. All the links in the description below. So guys, here in the D-Bridge, I'm bridging about $100 worth ETH to $100 worth Arbitrum ETH. Why, we will be seeing in a minute why. So I'm just confirming the trade. The reason being why I'm using D-Bridge is D-Bridge has also announced the airdrop, and as you can see that it already has a point system. The airdrop is coming very soon. I believe it will be in the next quarter sometime, so make sure you use the D-Bridge to farm the airdrop. So here, as you can see, that we are getting almost 373 points for bridging the ETH to the Arbitrum. So the thing here is that we want to maximize our investment, we want to maximize our capital by farming multiple airdrops in one go. So as you can see, guys, the bridging has been done on D-Bridge, and now what we will do, guys, is we will be taking this ETH on Arbitrum to a completely different protocol. The token is out, but you can still farm the airdrop because you still get the points. So as soon as the D-Bridge part is done, as you can see, that trade is being confirmed. As soon as the D-Bridge actually bridges the whole thing, we will come to the Renzo protocol. Now guys, if you are in the airdrop for a while, you won't be a stranger to Renzo. Renzo has announced a massive airdrop just a couple of weeks ago, and you can still participate, you can still get the Renzo points. So what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm basically using the ETH on the Arbitrum chain to actually stake on Renzo. It's a liquid staking, so I will be getting the RZ ETH. As you can see, the reason why I'm choosing Arbitrum is the gas fees are ultra low. It's almost just 1 cent. So as you can see, guys, that I've already staked the ETH up on Arbitrum to RZ ETH, which is the liquid ETH, easy ETH in this case, and you get the res points as well. As you will be seeing that the res points are here. Now guys, the beauty of this is that not only you are farming the Renzo airdrop, but you are also farming the Eigenlayer airdrop as well. As you can see, that Eigenlayer also had an amazing airdrop allocation, and by doing this, you are getting the Renzo points as well as you are also getting the Eigenlayer points as well, guys. Now here is the grand finale. Karak is the one that we wanted to farm, but the thing is that on Karak, because it's a restaking, when you scroll down, you can see the Ethereum, Mantle, Arbitrum, different pools. Now if you scroll down a little bit, as you can see that when you actually do the liquid restaking, Renzo restaked ETH, you actually get some amazing multipliers, guys. And also we can maximize our liquidity, so we can just use one single liquidity to farm this multiple airdrops. Now guys, as you can see that I've accidentally just try to stake the whole thing, as a lot of us will make this mistake. So make sure you leave a little bit ETH behind, because you will need a little bit for the gas fee. And guys, also unstaking does take 7 days here, so I was just showing you that part. So guys, we go back and actually see that what's happening here. So you connect the MetaMask again. As soon as the MetaMask gets connected, what we will do is we will be staking the RZ ETH here on Karak. So as you can see, guys, that this is how you can farm multiple airdrops with just one single liquidity. This is a ninja trick, this is a ninja hack, where you don't need to get different capital for different airdrops. If you do wish to do that, that's not an issue, but you can also use this strategy. And guys, I will leave this referral codes for Karak in the link in the description as well. So guys, as you can see that right now we have nothing, no restaking XPs, but here you go, guys, Renzo restaked ETH. So I'm just going to put the RZ ETH here, and I'll just leave a little bit at the back for the gas fee, so about 0.0244, and I'm just going to press deposit. So as soon as the transaction takes place, transaction gets confirmed through the MetaMask, this part will be done as well, and then this way we would have farmed, and this way we are farming 4 different airdrops, guys. So basically this is a ninja hack. One single liquidity, one single investment gets you qualified for 4 different airdrops, and this is how you can make money. This is how you can maximize your airdrop potential. This is how you can maximize your airdrops, guys. So guys, next time when you do want to participate in the mainnet airdrop, watch my videos before. So make sure you like this video, guys. If this video you have found helpful, also share with your friends. The like target for this video is 100 likes. And also guys, if this is the first time for you on this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future airdrops, as I am constantly bringing new airdrop opportunities. Also go ahead and join my Telegram group right now so you don't miss out on any small updates, as I won't be making videos for the smaller updates. I always put all the updates and all the notification, all the crucial timely updates on my Telegram group. As you can see, guys, that the ETH has been deposited, and what will happen is you'll have to come back a couple of hours later here to actually check your points in the portfolio section. As you can see that right now there is a 0, but soon you will start earning the XP as well. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Till the next time, stay safe, and I'll see you all very soon. Thanks.